Why are you doing this to me?
What is that baby doing to you? Falling out of the carrier?
Yeah.
Oh, good mommy.
Is everything okay?
Charlie and I broke up.
Oh, why?
Oh, well, she said we have nothing in common.
That's crazy.
No, it's not. We have nothing in common.
Uh-oh.
Someone more like
Did she drop your baby?
No.
he uses all those
No. Did he jump out of the carrier?
No.
No? He fell?
Yeah.
Oh.
I feel so